Are you guys tired of dealing with blurry text and endlessly searching for a tool that can fix it? Well, your search ends here. If you want to transform your blurry text into clean, crisp letters, then this video is for you. Today, I'm introducing you to an AI-powered tool that will completely transform your blurry text with just a single click. HitPaw is an innovative video enhancement software that utilizes cutting-edge artificial intelligence to transform your videos into high-quality, visually stunning content. Whether you're dealing with low-resolution footage, blurry frames, or dull colors, HitPaw's AI-powered technology employs advanced deep learning and machine learning algorithms to automatically enhance your video with just a single click. Not only does it improve resolution, but it also sharpens details, enhances colors, and reduces noise, making your videos look more professional in no time. The best part? You don't need to have any technical expertise. HitPaw is designed with simplicity in mind, allowing both beginners and professionals to elevate their video content effortlessly. From restoring old memories to enhancing new footage, HitPaw is your go-to solution for all video enhancement needs. Visit the official HitPaw website to explore the full range of features, learn step-by-step how to enhance your videos, and see the dramatic difference it can make for your content. But in this video, I am only talk about the HitPaw Text Enhancer. So basically, HitPaw Text Enhancer is a cutting-edge AI-powered tool designed to solve all your image and text clarity problems. Whether you're working with blurred text, enhancing images, or upscaling quality, HitPaw has got you covered. With a user-friendly interface and advanced AI models, this tool makes everything incredibly easy, no matter your skill level. This tool is a game changer, not just for enhancing text. Look at how easy it is. Just drag and drop your image, select the right model, click the button, and HitPaw does the rest for you. In seconds, your text goes from blurry to perfectly clear. But that's not all. Let's experiment with more AI tools to see how they perform. For this, I'm going to click on the denoise model to check if it can effectively remove noise from an image, especially useful for old photos that need restoration. First, click on the plus sign and select the image. Then, hit enter. As you can see, a model is already selected by default, but we want to test the denoise model. So, select the denoise model, click on preview, and the processing will begin. It may take a little time, so be patient. While it's processing, let me show you some other options. You can also try the Scratch Repair AI tool, which is great for restoring scratched papers or photos. And not just that, you can use the Colorize model to transform black and white images into colorized ones. I'll show you how that works right after this. Now, the denoise process is done. Look at how perfectly it removed the noise. It's amazing, right? Next, let's move on to the Colorize model. For that, first you have to click on any AI tool you want and select the desired image. After selecting the image, hit enter. HitPaw will automatically start processing and adjust according to the image. If you prefer to use a different AI tool, you can select one based on your needs. In my case, I'm going to choose the black and white option. After that, click on Preview, and the tool will begin processing the image. It may take a little time. As you can see, the image has now been fully colorized, and it looks amazing. Feel free to try this with different images as well. And it can even upscale your image quality. While most tools go up to 4K, HitPaw takes it further, allowing you to increase the quality up to 8K. Plus, it's incredibly easy to use. All you have to do is drag and drop your images, whether it's a single file or a batch. Then, you just pick the model, click Enhance, and you're done. It's as simple as that. Now, go check out this amazing AI tool. I've included a link in the description below. Just click on the link, sign up, and download the app. In no time, you'll be enhancing images and text with just one click. If you have any reviews, thoughts, or questions, feel free to share them in the comments. I'll be answering them as quickly as possible. And don't forget to share this video with your friends who might need this tool too. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm signing off. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Take care.